why I believed firmly that we are all Igbos is that all we do in this Ikwerre, in River State, in Niger Delta, we emulate. If I go to Imo State, for example, if I speak my language, barely an Imo State man will hear it. If an Imo man come to River State, when I speak my language, they will hear it. We do something in common. Our cultures are in common. Many things, maritally aspect of it, we do everything in common. So we are all Igbos. But I don't know about the people that differentiate us from Igbos. But I believe I am an Igbo man.
How far?
Oh, no shaking.
No shaking.
No shaking at all.
Okay, Abeg, I want to know your name.
Okay, my name na Emmanuel Junior Dimpa from Isiokpo community, the ancient kingdom of Ikwerre land.
Okay, Isiokpo.
Yeah.
All right. So, you see, what thing really carry me come? Now, I want to find out, because I know say a lot of people, when they outside, when they watch us, they really want to know the relationship and also the thing when connect Igbo man and Ikwerre man. Really, is an Ikwerre man an Igbo man?
I believe so. We are all Igbos, because if you can see in Nigeria, we have 3 tribes of Nigeria. Separatedly, Hausa, Igbo and Yoruba. And in Igbo region, we felt the part of Igbo. So I believe myself, I don't know about anybody. I believe myself that I'm an Igbo man.
Okay. For many other people get different opinion about this particular matter. Some say no, they say they no be Igbo, say they from Pini. Some say Ikwerre from Ejo. Have you heard about this kind of thing?
Really, I have heard such, but in the full interpretation, I cannot 100% tell you that neither the people that originated from Ejo or people that originated from Bili, I cannot differentiate it. But all I know that we are one. That is my priority as a man, as a son of Isiokpo. Because why I say this, why I believed firmly that we are all Igbos is that all we do in this Ikwerre, in River State, in Niger Delta, we emulate. If I go to Imo State, for example, if I speak my language, barely an Imo State man will hear it. If an Imo man come to River State, when I speak my language, they will hear it. We do something in common. Our cultures are in common. Many things, maritally aspect of it, we do everything in common. So we are all Igbos. But I don't know about the people that differentiate us from Igbos. But I believe I am an Igbo man.
Okay. You know, I really I thank you for your honest contribution towards this. So the next thing is which masquerade and which masquerade, as in like masquerade, what will be the names of on a masquerade? On a do masquerade, yes. So what will be the names of on a masquerade?
Oh, right. Like if you come for Isiokpo now, we get our indigenous masquerades, what they call Agaba. They are Agabarians, social cultural group of Isiokpo. Then, like I rightly told you, we are all Igbos. When you come to Isiokpo, we play Maun. Like in Isiokpo, I am a chief vocalist of the Otiba social cultural group of Isiokpo, originated from Umunoha, Okechi, Ebise, Uriamigwe, Umunoha precisely.
And Umunoha is in Mbitoli local government area of Imo State, eh?
Yeah, very well. So when you come, you see us perform this culture, you really believe that we are one. Because a Yoruba man cannot go to Umunoha, go to Imo State, and carry their culture and do perfect. If you come to this, our Agabarian, which is our indigenous masquerade in Isiokpo, when you go to Okija, you go to Anambra, Enugu, Abia, you see people playing Ogene. And the same Ogene they play in Enugu is the same Ogene we play here. The same music they sang at Enugu is the same music we do here. So you can see the brotherly relationship. We are all one. That is my priority.
Okay. So we want to know about how you, as in the marriage How do you conduct marital rights, and how does a man, if a man wants to marry an Ishebo woman, what are the steps?
Okay.
What are the processes?
Okay.
You want to know how it is compared to the hinterland Igbos.
Okay. See, that is exactly the reason why I say we are one. When I got married in my community. So in Isiokpo culture and tradition, when you want to get married to any girl, when you go to the girl's parents, you see what they call knocking of hand.
Speak it in your language.
We call it Okwakanoro.
Okwakanoro.
Ikwakanolo in Igbo. If you see Okwakanoro.
Okay, let's get it. Okwakanoro.
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 When you go to Imo State.
The general Igbo language is what?
No, this is Isiokpo.
Yes, I know. This is Isiokpo, Okwakanoro. So the general Igbo language is what?
Ikwakanolo.
Ikwakanolo.
Yes, you can see the difference. There is no more difference.
Okwakanoro. Ikwakanolo.
Yes. Before you get married to, it's just like a land. When you want to buy a land, you go just go say, I want to push entry. For the person to know, say, you want to enter a land. So for you to come into any relationship, any family, you go knock and do, who they here, they go say, welcome. That is Okwakanoro. They don't knock, they don't welcome you. If they don't need you at that point, they go say, you say, make you go, we don't need you. So by the time you knock and they say, come in, then you cannot start the normal process. Then the process you follow after then, you tell them, according to our adages, you tell them, see you get one flower what I see for this house, at the flower they fly, they pursue and they pursue. Finally, now for this house they land. So we want to come pick the flower. You just tell them in parable. Then the owner of the house that welcomed you will ask you, please, what kind of flower did you see? If the girl's name is Nkiru, Amaka, Queenette, they just say the flower is Queenette. Then the number third step, they will now call Queenette. Please, Queenette, come. Do you know these people that say they saw you? Queenette, my smile, you know now. They caricature waiting for the game. They go say, really, I know them. The father go say, you really say you know them? Make we accept them. Say, Daddy, accept them. I know them. They will not take Queenette to go. They will not start the process. My brother, what do you do? Where are you from? Where are this? They exchange the relationship. After exchanging the relationship, we now enter the process. Say, okay, if really you want to marry our daughter, you can go. Please give us 4 or 5, 1 week, 7 days, according to Isopo culture and tradition, which Igbo do too. So give us 7. Let us ask our daughter the questions. If really we accept whatever we tell you or not, then you now go. After the 7 days, they will not come back.
That is it. In Igbo language, they call it abaliasa. Ija abaliasa. Okay, all right, man. This is becoming more interesting. I'm sorry. I mean, hello, my people. You know, this is becoming more interesting as we go. You know, I'm enjoying it, but I will allow him to finish up so that you will be able to tell us what you feel about this relationship between the Ikwerre man and the Igbo man. I mean, the Ikwerre man in the riverine area and also the Igbo man in the hinterland area. So, all right, Baba, just continue.
So, at the end of the 7 days trip, the husbands, people, the intending husband people will now return back to the family where they want to get married to the girl. Then, based on that, they will now ask them the money to collect the list. Because for you to get married to an Ikwerre daughter, we have what they call Nadi, whom are the kindreds.
You mean, what do you call them?
Nadi.
Nadi.
Umunna.
Nadi, eh?
Nadi means Umunna in Imo State.
So, okay, but you call it here?
Nadi.
Nadi.
Yeah,
Nadi. I mean, are you connecting? Okay.
Nadi. We have the Nwenwo, which is the mother of the girl.
What do you call it?
Nwenwo.
Nwenwo.
In Imo State, they call it Nwenwa.
Okay.
You have Nda Nwenwo, which is Nna Nwenwa, the father of the girl.
Okay.
We have Omuniya. Omuniya, like in Igbo, they call it Omumboto.
Wow. This is becoming more deeper. Honestly. I mean, is this real?
This is pure. I'm just trying to tell you the culture of the marital aspect of Ikwerre.